How to cut a video using the KineMaster app. What is up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily cut a video on the KineMaster app. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open up the app, and then from here, you just want to head over to the video that you want to edit. So once that is done, you can just simply go ahead and click on the video that you want to cut. So here you will see an option to trim or split, and then click on split option. And once you do that, your video or your image will be split into two parts, and you can adjust and edit them separately like this. So if you want to individually add a music to them, you can do that as well. Or if you want a combined music, you can just combine the music so that it fits on your entire video. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.